myself and I, that's all I got in the end.
Best friends, welcome back to my channel. So I have an affordable video for you guys. This is human hair from a beauty supply store. Hey now. So this is Ibiza from Shake and Go. Basically it's like a deep wave, a loose deep wave, and this product claims that you could bleach, you could dye, you could perm it. It does not shed, okay, and it's 100% human natural hair. So I got 4 bundles of 18 inches and a 4x4 closure. All right, now the packaging on this bad boy is beautiful. Like, I love the little flower detail. Like, it's just bright and colorful and it grabs your attention, and it was packaged really nice. So when I pulled it out and I touched it, and it was super soft, and I've never seen packaging like this, and it has like some little styrofoam to keep the shape. But all in all, the bundles was neat, the wefting was neat, and I bought a 1B, but this is coming off as a number 2 to me. So yeah, like, if you want this and you want dark hair, I would suggest that you maybe do jet black if they have it. I'm not sure, or you dye it black, but this is definitely brown. All right, so this is a 5x5 closure, and the knots are plucked. I mean, the knots are bleached, I'm sorry, and the hairline is plucked, and I was very impressed. But this hair did have a lot of, like, I don't know if they're fibers or gray hairs, but it had a lot of something in it, and I was confused because it says 100% natural hair. So, but anyway, I went on and I plugged it a little bit more because I knew I wanted mine to be a little bit more natural looking, because I am going to do the glueless method, and because if you're going to do the glueless method, you got to make sure that your customizations is on point. So I went ahead and plugged it a tad bit more, not a lot, just a little bit, just to make it look a little bit natural. So since this product does claim that you can bleach, you dye, or perm it, I'm going to bleach it. Now, I'm only bleaching the tips because I did not know how this hair was going to react to processing, because I didn't want to ruin the entire wig if it did not bleach good. All right, so I used my 30 volume developer with my quick blue. I did a scoop of powder, and then like a scoop, basically a scoop and a half, 2 scoops of developer. Made it kind of like runny-ish, not too runny, not too thick, and I just basically put it on the tips so I could just see how it would color, so I could tell you guys if it's worth coloring or not. So how I feel about this, I left it on for about 15-20 minutes, and it did lift. I will honestly say that it did lift, okay, but this is not a product that you are going to be able to lift to a high, you know, like a high blonde or anything like that. Like, I wouldn't suggest that. This is really good to do like some subtle highlights, or just on the go hair, like, you know, but I wouldn't say you should be processing this entire hair because you don't know how it's going to really react after that. So yes, this is how it looked after I washed and let it air dry, and I did the baby hairs. As you can see, the hairline is on point and the waves is popping. I'm starting to love loose deep wave, like it's just hitting, and that is the tips right there. So as you can see, like I feel like you could probably get maybe 2 shades lighter than what I got right there, but other than that, that's about it. This wig is not gonna, you know, give you that really lifted look that some of you might be looking for. All right, so let's install this thing. I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses and I'm gonna take my Real Techniques buffer brush and I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup inside. All right, and I'm going to apply her because we got to do that in order for us to get through this video. All right, so I applied her. I don't know if did I say that this wig was 18 inches, or did I show you guys? But this wig is 18 inches. And look at this hairline just on its own. Like when I just put her on there, it just looks so good. Like I'm into big closures right now. Like they've been doing it for me. All right. So after I see how it's looking, I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut the seams of the closure off. Now the reason why you want to do this is because it's going to make your closure lay flatter. Now this comes with wig making. All right, if you guys have not seen my wig making video, you should guys definitely check it out. You want to pull your closure up a ½ inch or a whole inch in front of your whatever wig cap that you're using, because you want to do this right here, be able to cut the seams off your closure so it can lay flat. All right, and this is just going to give you the most realistic natural appearance. This is going to turn your closure to look like a frontal, and that's exactly what you want. You don't want your closure to be boxy or anything like that. You want to make it look as natural as possible. All right, so I'm gonna take my eyebrow razor and I am going to cut off the residual lace, and that is about it, you guys. This is it. This was a very easy wig to put together. This hair was very affordable, especially being, you know, that it claims to be human hair from the beauty supply store, and it was very soft. I didn't really get any shedding. I probably only got shedding because I cut my wefts and I plucked my hairline, but other than that, I didn't see any shedding after that. Shake and Go takes me back to my old school YouTube days, or like before even YouTube, when I used to, you know, make my U parts and do my own U parts. I think I want to bring that back, like affordable hair styles from the beauty supply, because of the fact that that's what I started on, and I loved how my hair used to be back in the day, and I used to always slay. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave all the links down to this product in my description box and everything that I use. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and I will be down there to answer everything that you guys are asking. All right, and until next time, bye best friends.